Hello students, welcome to Physical Science Digital Classes Mahabubabad. Myself Narendra Babu PGD Chemistry, TSMS Mahabubabad. Today, in this session, we are going to discuss about what do acids have in common. Today, in this session, we are going to discuss about what do acids have in common. In previous sessions, we have seen that acids have similar chemical properties. In lab activity, you have observed that acids generate hydrogen gas on reacting with metals. So, hydrogen seems to be common element to all acids. The fact that all the hydrogen containing compounds are not acids. This can be shown by activity. In this activity, so first we have to take the setup like this. We have to take the setup like this. So in this, take the solution of hydrochloric acid HCl, sulfuric acid H2SO4, glucose and alcohol. First we have to prepare the aqueous solutions of these four: HCl, H2SO4, glucose and alcohol. All these are hydrogen containing compounds. All these are hydrogen containing compounds. Fix 2 iron nails on a rubber cork. Fix 2 iron nails on a rubber cork and place the cork in a beaker. Connect the nails to the terminals of 6-volt battery through a switch and bulb. Pour some dilute HCl solution in the beaker and switch on the current. What we have to do? We have to make the setup first. So we have to prepare the HCl, H2SO4, glucose and alcohol solutions. So we have to fix 2 iron nails on a rubber cork and place the rubber cork in beaker. Connect the nails to the terminals of 6-volt battery through a switch and the bulb. Now pour some dilute HCl solution in beaker and switch on the current. Then the bulb starts glowing. The bulb starts glowing here. This shows that HCl solution taken in the beaker conducts electricity. If you repeat this experiment by taking H2SO4 solution, which is sulfuric acid solution, taken in the beaker, the bulb glows again. First we have taken the HCl solution, the bulb glows there. Now repeated the same experiment with the sulfuric acid. Again here in this case the bulb glows. This shows that HCl solution also conducts electricity. In fact, all the acid solutions conduct electricity. All the acid solutions conduct electricity. Let us now take glucose in the beaker, switch on the current as usual like H2SO4. So similarly we have to take the glucose solution in beaker and switch on the current. The bulb does not glow in this case. So this shows that glucose does not conduct electricity. If we repeat this experiment by taking alcohol solution in the beaker, the bulb does not glow again. That means glucose solution, if you take the glucose solution and alcohol solution, the bulb not glowing again. This shows that alcohol solution also does not conduct electricity. We will notice that the aqueous solutions of acid conducts electricity due to the presence of charged particles called ions in it. The reason for conducting electricity is due to the presence of charged ions in it. For example, when HCl is dissolved in water, then its solution contains hydrogen ions and chloride ions. These ions carry electric current. So, due to the presence of H plus ions and Cl minus ions, a solution of hydrochloric acid conducts electricity, and this makes the big glow. So when HCl is dissolved in water, then its solution contains hydrogen ions, H plus ions, and Cl minus ions, which is chloride ions. These ions carry electricity, that means carry electric current. So due to the presence of H plus and Cl minus ions, a solution of hydrochloric acid, that means HCl, that conducts electricity, and this makes the big glow. On the other hand, the hydrogen containing compounds like glucose and alcohol do not produce hydrogen ions or some other ions in solution. So, due to the absence of ions, glucose solution and alcohol solution do not conduct electricity. That means bulb does not glow. Again, so on the other hand, the hydrogen containing compounds like glucose and alcohol, they do not produce hydrogen ions, means that they do not undergo ionization or some other ions. Not only the hydrogen ions, they do not produce some other, any of the other ions they do not produce in the solution. That means it is not undergoing any ionization. So due to the absence of ions, glucose solution and alcohol do not conduct electricity. So there is no conductivity of electricity. That's why the bulb does not glow. From this experiment, we can conclude that the hydrogen containing compounds such as glucose and alcohol are not categorized as acids because they do not dissociate in water to produce hydrogen ions. So from this activity we can conclude that hydrogen containing compounds such as glucose and alcohols are not categorized as acids because they do not undergo ionization, dissociation in water to produce H plus ions. Some important information. Distilled water does not conduct electricity because it does not contain any ionic compound, either acids or bases or salts dissolved in it. So distilled water does not conduct electricity. Why? Because distilled water does not contain any acid, base or salt in it. So there is no ion dissolved, any ionic compound is not dissolved in it. Rainwater conducts electricity. Coming to the explanation. Rainwater, while falling to the earth through the atmosphere, dissolves an acid gas, carbon dioxide, from the air and forms a carbonic acid. Carbonic acid provides hydrogen ions, means H plus ions, and carbonate ions in rainwater. So, due to the presence of carbonic acid, the rainwater conducts electricity. So rainwater, while falling to the earth through the atmosphere, dissolves an acid gases, carbon dioxide from the air and forms the carbonic acid. This carbonic acid provides hydrogen ions and carbonate ions in it. So due to the presence of these ions, this carbonic acid in rainwater, it conducts electricity. Rainwater may also dissolve other acidic gases such as sulfur dioxide, SO2, nitrogen dioxide, NO2, etc. present in air to form acids with the help of further in conducting electricity. Due to the presence of sulfur dioxide, it can be able to form the sulfurous acid or sulfuric acid. Possibility sulfurous acid. Due to the presence of nitrogen dioxide, it can be able to form the nitric acid or some other acids it can be able to form. Not only the carbon dioxide, some other acids, some other gases also can be able to form the acids in acid rain, and they can be able to conduct the electricity. Thank you. Thank you for watching this video.